Gets it to David, who's against Munzon. Bad pass, stolen by Flores. So Flores, a bit of energy here for the Batang Pier. Bulanadi, quick trigger. That is good for Bulanadi.
There's a lot of talent in this Northport team. Is trying to integrate Adamos as a part of this rotation for Barangay Ginebra, so they will have more size to match up against the likes of San Miguel or even Convert.
Barangay Ginebra as RJ Barrientos throws the ball away. Good defense by Munzon. Bulanadi has been playing well. Evanelli goes to Navarro. Navarro sneaks it in 4-2.
Back to you, gentlemen.
Thank you, Belle. And right now, they will need the scoring of William Navarro here in the second quarter. As Barangay Ginebra brings back Japet Aguilar. Navarro shoots a 3. And Northport right now getting hot at the right time for the Batang Pier.